Hey guys, I thought this would be a good time to update my channel trailer. The old one was getting pretty old. Anyway, I'm Ray and you've stumbled into Love You RV. It's a place where I post videos of my experience as a full-time RVer. Going on 9 years now. We just celebrated our 9 years anniversary as full-time RVers. We sold our house and went on a one-year trip, supposedly a one-year trip back in 2011. Loved it so much so we've continued on. And like I say, we're at 9 years. So on Love You RV, I post a lot of videos. I love to do mods and upgrades to my rig. I love to review products. I do a lot of product reviews, mods and upgrades. Provide a lot of tips and tricks. And then you'll also find posts on our actual travel. We like to go down to the southwest during the winters, spend summers here on Vancouver Island in British Columbia, beautiful British Columbia. And also there's one section that's sort of dedicated to boondocking, because as we've spent our winters in the southwest, we discovered boondocking, dry camping. A lot of people call it boondocking. It's basically you can go out onto Bureau of Land Management land and also in state parks and stuff, and you have no hookups, so we have a lot of solar and extended battery power, that sort of thing. So feel free to look through my playlists. If you head over to the Love You RV website, I've really overhauled it recently and made it very easy to find all my posts. There's over 600, almost 700 posts, and almost every post has an accompanying video with it. So head to the front page, scroll down, and you can start to dive deep into all the information that I've put out over the years. Anyway, thanks for coming in, and I hope you subscribe. Cheers.